Apple's next iPhone hasn't even launched yet, but details about it may already be out in the open. A reported cyber attack on one of Apple's biggest suppliers in India has exposed internal documents, supplier lists, and even photos believed to show the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro. So what exactly happened, and should Apple be worried? According to a Reuters report, the ransomware group WorldLeaks claimed responsibility for a cyber attack on Tata Electronics, one of Apple's key suppliers in India. The group uploaded more than 200,000 files, totaling over 630 gigabytes, to its dark web leak site. Tata Electronics has confirmed that it suffered a cybersecurity incident, while Apple has said it is concerned about the reports and is investigating the matter. The leaked files contained confidential information related to Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro, which is expected to launch in September. The files include detailed information about hundreds of components inside the phone, including chips on the main circuit board, battery parts, and camera modules. More importantly, the files reportedly identify which companies supply each part. Apple has never publicly shared that level of detail, making the information highly sensitive. The leaked documents carry Apple's confidential markings and internal code names linked to the iPhone 18 Pro. The leaked files are also said to include photos believed to show iPhone 18 Pro devices undergoing job tests at a Tata Electronics facility earlier this year. Reuters could not independently confirm the model shown in the images, but a cited source identified them as iPhone 18 Pro units. The leak is significant because it reportedly exposes how Apple's global supply chain works behind the scenes. The documents show where Apple relies on multiple suppliers for the same part and when it depends on only a small number of companies. That information could help competitors better understand Apple's manufacturing strategy. It could also be useful to counterfeiters or other bad actors looking for weak points in the supply chain. Security experts say attacks like this usually don't happen overnight. According to analysts quoted by Al Jazeera, hackers typically need access to internal systems, stolen login details, or weak security controls before they can collect such a large amount of confidential data. In this case, the breach appears to have happened through a supplier rather than Apple itself, highlighting how security across the supply chain has become just as important as security inside the company. The attack also comes at an important time for Apple. Over the past few years, the company has been steadily shifting more of its manufacturing to India as it reduces its dependence on China. Tata Electronics has become one of Apple's fastest growing manufacturing partners, moving from supplying components to assembling complete iPhones. For Tata, the incident raises questions about cybersecurity as its role in Apple's business continues to grow. Reuters reported that the company has restricted access to some internal systems and hired a global consultant to carry out a forensic investigation. At this stage, there is no indication that Apple customer data or payment information has been exposed. The leak mainly involves internal corporate documents connected to manufacturing and suppliers. The report also noted that it has not independently verified the authenticity of all the leaked files, and Apple has not confirmed whether the documents are genuine. For now, both companies continue to investigate what happened. If the leaked files are confirmed to be authentic, the incident could become one of the most significant supply chain leaks involving an unreleased iPhone.